Great morning everyone. Class 7 student, proceeding toward our next topic is the ray diagram of reflection through the plane mirror. Very important. Ray diagram of reflection through the plane mirror. The beam of light that hit the surface of mirror get reflected. See the beam of light. It hit the surface of mirror. It is hitting the mirror and reflecting back through it. The path taken by the ray of light is shown in the ray diagram 14.4. The ray of light that fall on the surface of a plane mirror. The ray of light that fall on the surface of plane mirror is called incident ray. And the one that is reflected off the surface of mirror और fall करने के बाद जो reflect हो रही है that is called the reflected ray. So if you look carefully, you will find that there is relationship between the angle at which the incident ray hit the mirror. See, this is incident ray hitting the mirror, and at which incident ray hit the mirror and the angle at which it is reflected off. And here it is getting reflect. This is the reflected ray. The incident ray, reflected ray form equal angle with the plane of mirror. We can say angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. This is angle of incidence. And this is reflected ray, this is angle of reflection. See the ray of light that fall on the surface of plane mirror. This is the ray of light that is falling on the plane mirror. It is called incident ray. And the one that is reflected off और जिसकी उसके बाद incident ray जब fall off हो रही है, reflection हो रहा है, the ray that is reflected off from the mirror is called reflected ray. Next is the topic real and virtual image. Real and virtual image. When a well-illuminated object is placed in front of a mirror or lens, its view through a mirror or lens is called its image. Front of a mirror, its view through the mirror. उसको हम mirror में उसका view क्या बन रहा है और lens में किसी भी object का view क्या बन रहा है. Whenever we view any object in the mirror, that is called its image. Image can be defined as, image की definition क्या है? Appearance or picture of real object formed by the light that pass through a lens or reflected from a mirror. Image क्या होता है? It can be defined as appearance or picture of real object. It is the picture of real object. और कैसे form हो रही है? Formed by the light that passes through a lens or reflected from the mirror. The nature of image depends upon the nature of mirror or reflecting surface and also upon the distance of the object from the mirror. Image are of two types, real image, virtual image. Image दो type का है बेटे, real image and virtual image. See, this is the real image and this is the virtual image. Real image and virtual image. When the ray of light are reflected from the smooth surface in such a way that the actual meet at some other point on the screen, the image is so called real image. This is the real image. What are the characteristics of real image? It can be taken on the screen. It is always inverted. Its size may be small, smaller, bigger to the size of object. These are the properties of real image. Next is the virtual image. Virtual image क्या होता है? When the ray of light are reflected from the smooth surface in such a way they appear to meet at certain point. See, they appear to meet at some other point. Actually they are meeting at other point but they appear to meet at some other point but do not meet on the screen. Screen पर meet नहीं हो रहा है, तो इसी वजह से the image so formed are called virtual image. The characteristic of virtual image are, it can be taken on the screen. It cannot be taken on the screen. Screen पर हम इसे नहीं देख सकते. It is always erect. This image is always erect. Its size may be same, smaller, bigger than the size of object. So इस डायग्राम से आप पता कर रहे होंगे व्हाट इज रियल इमेज एंड वर्चुअल इमेज. इस डायग्राम से आपको क्लियर हो रहा है रियल इमेज क्या है, वर्चुअल इमेज क्या है. रियल इमेज ऐसी इमेज होती है व्हेन द रे ऑफ लाइट रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम द स्मूथ सरफेस इन सच अ वे दे एक्चुअली मीट एट some other point on the screen. See, they are meeting at some other point on the screen. The image of this tree we can able to see on that point. So the characteristic of real image are, it can be taken on the screen. हम इसे screen पर देख सकते हैं. Inverted होता है, small हो सकता है, smaller and bigger. Likewise virtual also, it cannot be seen on the screen. It is always erect, सीधा होता है. Small भी हो सकता है, smaller or bigger than the size of object. With this, I'm going to end this topic. Further, we will continue in our next video. Thank you.